How to stop Spaylater in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Spaylater in Shopee. Open your Shopee application on your mobile device. Now, what you need to do is tap on Me located in the bottom right corner. And then you will get to see a settings icon at the top of the screen. So, tap on the settings icon. Tap on bank accounts or cards from the given options. You can add your bank account from here. It will provide you with 4 options: link a C bank account, add a new card, add a bank account, and link a BPI account. You can stop Spaylater in Shopee from here. That's how you can stop Spaylater in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.